Hello everybody, hey, it's Bob here, Tacomas, Florida, Topsider Boat Tours. Hey, I'm out on the water today. I should be probably at home prepping for Hurricane Ian, but I got some time before that. The weather is so nice, I wanted to get out and take advantage of it. But I'm on the Lynx, and it's a big wind today. We got 13 to 15 knot winds, gusts up a little higher than that, not much. But I wanted to show, it's a good chop on the water. You can probably see that chop. And I just wanted to give you an idea again. One of my most requested questions, or one of my top questions, is how's the Lynx handling chop? This is a good example of how the Lynx handles and chop. As you can see, no problem cutting through it. Obviously the bow is getting wet. The water is definitely coming on board. I'm not taking any big waves, but when I do, the water's coming into the dragging right immediately into that big scupper there with the Mirage drive. Now today's an interesting day. I'm heading up Casey Key a little further than I typically do and pedaling up there, but I'm going to ride back, literally ride with the Bixby, and it's going to be a fun ride. Hopefully I'm hoping for a good 5 miles an hour on the way back, although I'll be fighting against the tide, and but that's all right. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and enjoy the pedal up, get a little exercise, enjoy the cool breeze that we have, and I'll be back with the engine.